The minute repeater timepiece tells you on demand what time it is while striking the hours, quarters, and minutes. To activate it, move the slide on the left side of the watch clockwise until you hear a small click. When you release the slide, the watch will start to strike. First, the hours on a low note, then the quarters alternating low and high notes. Lastly, the minutes on a high note. Please be aware that if a time setting is required, the striking function should not be activated. Your minute repeater timepiece is not waterproof and should be protected from all liquids and dust to ensure the mechanism's reliability and its beautiful sound. You're all set and ready to enjoy your minute repeater. For more information, come visit your closest Vacheron Constantin boutique or call our conciergerie service.